How to cast on purlwise. Hi everyone, Norman here. A standard longtail cast on creates a row of knit stitches in the same breath. However, when you turn your work around and start knitting flat, this row of knit stitches will appear as purl stitches. See all these little purl bumps here below? So if you don't want to start your project on the wrong side, you need to cast on purl stitches in the same breath. Here is how. To cast on purl stitches with a long tail cast on, you need to leave a tail that is long enough. Be generous, and then wrap the yarn around your pinky finger once, bring it across the back of your hand, then wrap the yarn around your thumb once, and then secure everything here between your pinky and ring finger. Let's do that one more time. So, wrap around the pinky finger once, bring it across the back of your hand, wrap it around your thumb, and then secure everything here between your pinky finger and ring finger. Now you can pick up your knitting needles, and we will start by creating a simple slip knot, and you can do this by entering the loop here around your thumb from below, grab the yarn towards your index finger and pull through, pull tight. And now pull the yarn towards you to create this slingshot. And for a long tail cast on, you normally now would go here into the loop around your thumb from below. Well, we don't do this. Instead, we go around the loop towards your index finger from below. Then we grab the yarn towards the thumb from below, pull the yarn through. Then we release the loop around your index finger and pull tight. Again, we pull the needle towards us to create this slingshot. Then go around the loop towards your index finger from below, grab the yarn towards your thumb from below, pull through, let go of the loop and pull tight. Pull the needle towards you. Go around the loop towards your index finger, grab the yarn towards the thumb from below, pull the yarn through the loop, let go of the loop and pull tight. Let's do that a couple of more times in slow motion. So as you can see, the motion is just as simple, and with a little bit of practice you will be able to do it just as fast. If you notice that your tail is sort of starting to split, you can let go of it. It will balance itself out again. Then you cast on maybe 3, maybe 4 stitches. Then you let go of the tail again, pick it up again, and continue casting on. And in that manner you will avoid, sometimes it just kind of starts applying, and by letting it go you can avoid that. Anyway, now when we turn our work around, you don't see any purl bumps below here. Those are knit stitches. So now you can start your project in stockinette stitch here on the right side and simply knit across. So let's take a look at the difference. So here, this is the little swatch we've just knitted. So as you can see here, this is one seamless transition, whereas if you start the same project in stockinette stitch with a standard long tail cast on, here can you see this one row of purl stitches. So essentially here you are starting your project with 2 rows in garter stitch, whereas this is a seamless transition from the edge towards stockinette stitch. I'm not saying that this is necessarily bad. Garter stitch is less prone to curling. I'm just saying these are the differences, and decide for yourself what looks best for you and your project. Now, I want you to know that almost every other cast on technique on this planet also has a purl alternative. So for example, there is the German twisted cast on purlwise. In this case, you go all the way around the loop towards your thumb, get in from above, get out here towards the side, then you grab the yarn towards your thumb. Now you need to untwist this loop, pull through, pull tight again. So this is definitely a little bit harder. Go all the way around, get in from the top, go out towards the side, grab the yarn towards the thumb from below, untwist the loop, let go, pull tight again. All the way around, get in from above, get out towards the side, grab the yarn, untwist the loop, pull through. One last time. This definitely is a little bit harder. You can also do a knitted cast on purlwise. So you start with your slip knot and then you purl into that stitch and slip the stitch back to your knitting needle. Purl into that stitch, slip back. And what makes this so easy is that as you slip the stitch back to your knitting needle, it's already in the perfect position to purl. So this can be a super fast and efficient way to do a knitted cast on purlwise. And of course, you could also do a cable cast on purlwise. However, for a continental knitter, that might be a little bit more difficult, as you can see. When you try to pull that through, it will often slip off. So that can be a little bit more tricky, but of course with a little bit of practice, and if you kind of can help things through with your thumb, this will also work. Anyway, that's how to cast on purlwise. Please comment below if you have any questions, like this video if you enjoyed watching, and of course consider subscribing to my channel here below if you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day!